What's up, guys? I know we talked about this before. I actually did get my buddy out here with his Tesla Plaid, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try and run him in the CTSV. Just, I mean, God, we know what's gonna happen probably, but I need to see where the car stands right now, and who knows? The car makes 855. Those Plaids make well over 1,000. It's heavier. It's all-wheel drive. I mean, why not try it out though? I mean, who knows? It could be a good time either way. But let's check this thing out. It's over here sounding like a hair dryer going off. I mean, awesome looking car. Awesome looking dude right here. This is Chris Wirtz, Texas Racing Channel. I'll put a link down to his channel on the video below, but these guys have been doing a whole bunch of racing with the Teslas. Chris is he's been around for a long time with me. He's done a lot of my race cars. We've kind of split ways with what we like now, because he likes this electric stuff and I'm kind of still all about this stuff. But this is about as good a noise as this thing makes. It just makes kind of a whirling wind noise. It's awesome sounding.
It's just a bunch of hamsters on there on wheels,
yeah,
right?
If I can get warmed up to whoop your ass, they're ready to go. You want to race me on the scooter first?
That'd probably be a closer race than what this is going to end up like.
No, I love this car as a daily driver, right? To cruise around, mess around with, do these little races and events and stuff, and yeah, I win, I lose, whatever. But my heart is in combustion engines. I mean, all day long, you know, cam swapping, tele swapping, whatever. That's where it's at. So there's no doubt this I just bought because I was tired of paying $400 a week in gas. So yeah.
And there's really not a whole lot to these things. They're all pretty much the same. You know, change a couple options here and there, but there's, I mean, they're 1,000.
I got free material.
But the good reason about racing these two cars is the Plaid has a standard that's out, and they're a 9.0, 9.1 car directly from the factory. So we're going to be able to see how that is on the street compared to what my car is on the street. So that'll give us a good standard. But we're going to go ahead and get set up out there, take a look at the road, and see how this is going to line up. We'll be back here in a minute.
No! God, please, no! No!
All right, whenever you're ready, go for it. That's it right there. Much better. Yeah.
He had a hard time putting the right on because it was so sticky.
Yeah.
All right, so we're about done out here. We are
5 races in.
Yeah, I'm really battling some traction issues. This is, you know, it's kind of my first time out on the street with this car, this setup, and it's taken the hit for a second and then just starting to spin towards the end of the gears. So it's getting kind of sketchy, but we're able to get a whole bunch of prep down out here now. It's kind of working. It's worked one time really well, and then the rest of the time it's been kind of spin, and then it's anyway. Against the Tesla Plaid, you got to be perfect, and it's not perfect right now. So what we're gonna do to try to even the odds a little bit, he's got all-wheel drive, so he doesn't have to worry about any of this crap, but he's gonna change from Plaid mode down to sport mode, which knocks about a full second off the 8th mile time
or more. Yeah, it's gonna make it. You should beat me. It should be very, very competitive. As long as you get a decent amount of traction, you should be able to beat me. Yeah. But we might be side by side. It's gonna be close. I think you're in a mile an hour. I think you're gonna pull away.
Yeah, I mean the car feels amazing once it finally catches traction. It hits 3rd gear. I mean it really pulls. So
I think I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna pull a car on you, maybe more, and then once you get traction, you're gonna come sailing by me in sport mode. I think that's what's gonna happen.
Well, we'll keep the GoPros rolling. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of leveled the playing field a little bit. But yeah, we already know what happened though.
Oh, sorry about whooping your ass.
All right, so you can tell the huge difference between being in Plaid mode and being in regular sport mode.
I had to give him one.
Granted, I jumped the light a little bit.
Nah, it wouldn't have mattered, dude. I could have jumped and you still would have beat me.
Yeah. So we're gonna go make a couple of highway hits. That way we can kind of rule out my traction issues. And I guess we'll just take the driver mod out of it. That suck. But we'll see. You know, maybe it'll be closer. Alright, so that does it. We got beat pretty bad. The highway roll was a whole lot worse than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I hit it off the light and I was staring at the highway because it felt like my car was pulling like crazy, and then he just comes flying by me like I was sitting still. So Plaid mode's it's a
whole other story, man. It's a whole other thing, having Plaid mode on.
But I mean, I'm still super happy with the car. I mean, I really appreciate these guys too, just helping me get it dialed in out there on the street. I'm sure the track is a completely different issue.
It's gonna be.
It's gonna be.
You
easy.
thought that was quick there. Yeah. Wait till you go to XRP and you get real professional prep. It's gonna be ridiculous.
And make no mistake, it's friggin' 850 plus wheel, 1,000 crank horsepower car. Like, this is a fast car. The Tesla is just absolutely redonkulous. It's stupid. It's not fair.
Yeah, it's a whole nother level. It really is. So it's
even if the horsepower, I mean, was apples to apples, there's something about that car. Maybe it's the transmission, the one gear, the all-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's just got everything going.
It just goes.
It'll do that in the rain. It'll literally do that in the rain. So,
all right. Well,
probably this guy.
Definitely go check out their channel, Texas Racing Channel. I'll link it in.
And the green. Don't forget the green.
Merch.
I mean, these guys are awesome. I've known them feels like my whole life. They've been working on my cars for a long time and helping me out for a long time.
Lanyards.
All right, that'll do it for now. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go into the track probably within the next week, so we'll get some good numbers there too. But all right, guys, see you later.